Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to create a Python quiz game. So I'm going to start by printing the title of our game, that is print. I'm going to use the print function and I'm going to give it as Python quiz game. Then next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask the person playing this game a question, and I'm going to ask this person if you want to play. Then he will type yes. If not, then we'll tell the person goodbye. So let us use the input function. And this input function, we are going to ask, do you want to play? Play. And then I'm going to give a question mark and a space. And then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to use the if else statement. And I'm going to type that if this person wants to play, if question is equals to yes, then we are going to tell this person. I'm going to use the print function. You are going to tell this person, let's play. Let me use the double quotation mark. Let's play. So else, if this person types another thing, that is no, else we are going to print goodbye. And let us run this and see. So let me type here, right here, do you want to play? And I'm going to give it as yes. Then as you can see right here, they are saying let's play. So let us run it again and type no. Then this person is being told goodbye. So next, what I'm going to do, so what if we run it and use a capital Y, that is using the capital yes. As you can see, is it read it as no, and then it tell us that goodbye, but we don't want to be told goodbye when we use the capital Y. So what we are going to do, we are going to write here at if statement, we are going to say if dot lower. We are going to say use question dot lower. That is now to make our yes. In case a person use a capital letter, we are going to make it to be as capital as small letters. So that is to be on our lowercase. So that is it. So let us run this and type yes with a capital letter and see. Sorry. So right here, I'm going to type yes. So as you can see, we have let's play. So next, what we are going to do, we are going now to, I'm going to assign a variable test, and this test I'm going to give it an input value, input, and right here I'm going to ask some questions. So first, I'm going to use the EPL. So which team won the EPL last season, and I'm going to give it a question mark, then a space. So, and we are going to answer now our question. So your answers should be correctly spelled. So if test is equals to, and I'm going to give Man City. So Man City, we are going to print I'm going to print correct. Else, if our person playing this game give any other question, any other answer, we're going to print incorrect. So that is it. So let us run this and see uh, our game. So do you want to play? I'm going to type yes. Which team? Sorry, I forgot to type here which team. Sorry for the spelling. So let me run this again and see. So which team I'm going to play? So let me run this. Do you want to play? I'm going to type yes. Which team won the EPL last season? And I'm going to type Man City. So correct. So let us again, if our person give it on our, in case in capital letters, we want to make it uniform so that it can be in lowercase. So that is dot lower. Sorry, supposed to be dot lower. So in case this person give his answer or answer in capital letter, then we are going to put it on a lowercase. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and so I'm going to copy the whole of this, the input function plus the test, the if else state. So, and I'm going to paste it several times. So right here, I'm going to give it as Carabao. And lastly, I'm going to give it as UEFA. So right here, I'm going to give it as Man United. And right here, I'm going to give it as Liverpool. So let us run this and answer these questions. So do you want to play? Yes. Which team won the EPL last season? So I'm going to give it a wrong answer, that is Man United. So that is incorrect. As you can see, we have been, the answer is incorrect. Which team won the Carabao last season? And I'm going to give it as Man United, the correct one. So correct. Which team won the UEFA last season? I'm going to give it as Liverpool. So incorrect. So why incorrect? Because we had a Man Liverpool, but it's supposed to be a Liverpool. So let me save this and then run this. So do you want to play? I'm going to give it as yes. So which team won the EPL last season? Man City. Which team won the Carabao last season? I'm going to give it as Man United. And lastly, which team won the UEFA last season? Liverpool. So next, I'm going to create a new variable, that is score variable. So right here, I'm going to create a new variable, that is score. And this score variable, I'm going to set it as 0. So on our first question, that is right here. So if this person gets this question correct, and I'm going to get to set the score to be +1. So and if scores the second question, I'm going to set it to be score to be +2 to +1. And then lastly, our question to be, I'm going to set the score to be also +1. So that is it. And next, I'm going to analyze now the total results of this person, and I'm going to print right here. I'm going to print your score. Your score, and I'm going to right here, I'm going to add the score of this person, that is plus score. And remember, this right here is a string, and then this right here is not a string, so we are going to change it to be a string. So str, your score is that one. So let us run this code and see the results. So do you want to play? And I'm going to type here yes. Which team won the EPL last season? And I'm going to type here Man City. Then which team won the Carabao last season? And I'm going to type Man United. And the last one I'm going to give it as a false, that is Man City. So as you can see right here, we have your score is 2. So also you can give it as a percentage. So guys, that is it for today, and that marks the end of our video.